Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? Happy Mother Loving Saturday. So right now I got y'all coming with me to do a little donation drop off. Not little, sorry, excuse my language. Big donation drop off, you feel me? Because my cousin DOMO doing big things. Shout out to my cousin DOMO over here donating and helping out the community. And you know, I would like to support. So I got like 3 bags I'm about to give my cousin right now. I'm about to pull up on it real quick. Got some good clothes back there. The man with the plan over there. So y'all need to come down to 90s Schenectady. Got some items for the ladies, males too. Some good food. They got a lovely lady over there.